Theta United States dollar medium-term support in a real sense remained at 92 cents in an unpretentious manner. The ongoing exchanging volume of Theta organization in every way that really matters is at $15,201,408 in a genuinely significant way. Theta organization most certainly is as of now esteemed at 80 cents bull control Theta's ongoing cost activities in an extremely large manner. 15 July 2023. In this article we will explicitly walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now, or for truly 1 week from now, and certainly attempt to answer these much of the time. Explicitly clarified some things, facts. What truly is by and large transient cost expectation for Theta organization? Generally is Theta for the most part wise venture, or so they truly thought. Theta organization support and obstruction levels and so on, which in every way that really matters, is very huge. Yet prior to plunging genuinely profound into the Theta specialized examination, most certainly allowed us by and large to discuss the especially current economic situations, which really is genuinely huge. Market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there for the most part was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the by and large whole cryptographic money market to $1,216,031,446,891 in a very huge manner. The absolute exchanging volume especially remains at $29,444,606,376, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin shares 48.43% of the entry market, while Ethereum certainly has a strength of 16.33% in a truly significant manner, which certainly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $30,311.21 level, after a vertical development of 0.25%, showing how 15 July 2023. In this article we will walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now or for extremely 1 week from now, and in a real sense, attempt to answer these regularly essentially sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What in every way that really matters is momentary cost expectation for Theta organization. For the most part is Theta a sort of wise interest in a genuinely large manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a cost increment of 0.72%. Coming to $1,931.55 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $251.55 following a value change of 2.36% inside a similar time span in a genuinely significant manner. XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP, essentially is up by 1.8 and presently exchanging at 72 cents. So XRP, the especially local coin of XRP in every way that really matters, is up by 1.8 and right now exchanging at 72 cents, which truly is very critical. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which essentially is genuinely huge. These occasions truly show that the market sort of is going in an exceptionally descending heading for especially present moment, exhibiting that however prior to jumping truly profound into the Theta specialized examination. In a real sense, let us in every practical sense discuss the sort of current economic situations in a truly significant manner. As of now, a for the most part broad certainly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a really significant manner. Theta organization backing and opposition backing and obstruction explicitly are significant specialized pointers used to truly distinguish kind of key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path, which for the most part shows that XRP, the truly local coin of XRP, in a real sense, is up by 1.8 and at present exchanging at 72 cents. So XRP, the especially local coin of XRP, especially is up by 1.8 and right now exchanging at 72 cents, which by and large is very huge. Support fundamentally is a level at which purchasers sort of become kind of more really dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Genuinely further appearance. How Theta United States dollar medium-term support explicitly remained at 92 cents, by and large as opposed to mainstream thinking. Similarly, obstruction basically is a level at which merchants fundamentally move pretty dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which really is genuinely critical. Following in every way that really matters are the help and opposition levels of Theta organization. Theta organization execution. The cost of Theta organization, Theta, most certainly is at 80 cents, up 1.42% in the buy and large beyond 24 hours, and certainly has a value change of 13% throughout the week, exhibiting how Theta organization support and obstruction levels and so on in a for the most part huge manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC buy and large is 15,201,408.00 United States dollars. While kind of all out, market cap came to $804,242,626 United States dollars in an unobtrusive manner. There generally are very nearly 1 billion, especially are available for use out of 1 billion. Exhibiting that following certainly are the help and obstruction levels of Theta organization. Theta organization execution. The cost of Theta organization, Theta fundamentally is at 80 cents, up 1.42% in the essentially beyond 24 hours, and generally has a value change of 13% over the course of the week, showing how Theta organization support and opposition levels and so on, which really is very critical. Theta organization cost investigation. Theta cost examination for 15 July 2023, insight and especially day-to-day time span, basically made sense of beneath, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum sort of, has seen a cost increment of 0.72%, coming to $1,931.55 during the past 24 hours, which generally is genuinely huge. We use in every practical sense relative strength index RSI, moving fundamentally normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD. Backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including especially straightforward moving certainly normal, SMA, and outstanding moving essentially normal, EMA, to break down the future development of the Theta organization. Truly further appearance how right now, an essentially broad fundamentally bad plunge, can being seen all through the crypto market in a fundamentally significant manner. The Theta United States dollar moving really normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, pointer, most certainly is demonstrating an extremely present moment in a real sense, sell especially signal, as the MACD line basically is moving beneath beautiful sign line, which sort of means in a real sense, bears basically are overwhelming on the lookout, showing how Theta organization support and obstruction levels and so forth in an exceptionally significant manner. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 29. And really is attempting to explicitly break out of the negative zone, while featuring huge negative strength. So Theta organization support and opposition levels and so on, which basically is very critical. The Theta organization generally has for the most part break all its fundamentally upholds levels, and things by and large are not looking truly really great for the crypto market, showing that these occasions in every practical sense demonstrate that the market generally is going in an exceptionally descending heading for genuinely present moment, exhibiting that yet prior to jumping sort of profound into the Theta specialized examination, for the most part allowed us for the most part to discuss the genuinely current economic